I'm First Lieutenant Victor Momanio, member ng PMA Class 2019, proud member ng 9th Special Forces Company, 3rd SF Battalion. So, my most memorable experience is yung na-encounter kami, and that was also my first encounter na naka-recover kami ng 5 high-powered firearms at isang body count. So, that was after my graduation na na-encounter kami. And other thing is, nung in-exfil na namin yung body count is, syempre, para ma-assist yung tropa, tinulungan ko magbuhat. And nung kinagabihan na is, nakatabi ko siya at is, na-aksidente kong nayakap, kaya medyo nagbigay ng chill na parang, uy, malamig pala. Malamig talaga yung katawan ng tao. So, sa mga nangangarap na mag-join ng Special Forces, so, in-encourage ko kayo na join our unit. So, pwede kayo mag-free fall, mag-airborne, at the same time, pwede kayong and matapos yung Special Forces Operations Course. That's all, sir.
Anong feeling ng unang encounter Gold Cross kaagad?
So, medyo nakaka-proud din sa sarili na that was your first encounter and major engagement din siya. So, proud sa sarili pero dapat sa'yo lang. Huwag mo nang iyabang kasi mahirap yun. Malalaki yung ulo mo nun. So, part and parcel of our job. Naswertihan lang, nakachamba lang, sir.